Give your desktop a wireless upgrade. If your PC already has built-in or third-party Bluetooth, open Device Manager and disable the existing Bluetooth device before installation. Once that's done, power off your PC, unplug it, and check that your system is ready. You'll need an available PCIe slot for the adapter. You'll also need an available internal USB 2.0 header to enable Bluetooth. Insert the adapter carefully into the PCIe slot. Press it firmly until the card is fully seated. Next, connect the Bluetooth USB cable to the motherboard's internal USB 2.0 header. Align before connecting. Match the connector to the header's pin layout, then press it in gently until secure. Attach the antennas and position them for the best possible signal. Then, download the correct drivers for your adapter and operating system. Install the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth drivers one at a time, following the setup prompts. Once complete, check Device Manager to confirm both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are detected. Connect to your Wi-Fi network and pair your Bluetooth devices. Your desktop is ready for faster wireless connectivity.